famously say, no amount of darkness in the world.
From SFL Nepal, what we generally do is like we're more focused with women issues, especially those issues that is more inclined to academic freedom, girls' education. Like women generally don't tend to like have this educational choices, right? There are more barriers created by the society, by their family, and everything else. So we aware people that girls are equal to, like they have academic freedom. Like we need to respect that, and we collaborate with different organizations. Like recently we collaborated with UN and Plan International, and also Samriddhi Foundation, which is one of the leading libertarian organizations in Nepal.
It's a great forum for me to meet many Indian people. You know, even India is a single country. There is a lot of variety from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. So there are different people with different ideas. So it's a it's an encouragement to meet different people supporting your idea. It's feel like says yes, we are not only alone who supports libertarian. We are not only alone who are thinking of making world a better place to live through libertarian. So it's all the encouragement and support we get in this big forum, along besides the meeting of the intellectual mind.
And one of these, and we'll take a little bit less than 10 minutes. Okay? So find 4 people you don't know.
Talking in terms of Nepal, we can say that Nepal is under the process of making the constitution right now. So the idea of liberalism is very much important in context of Nepal, because the constitution making process is going on. So we all really need the idea of liberty to head in a proper direction. And while attending these sort of conferences in India, we Nepalese get to learn a lot of ideas about how a constitution should be made, or how the idea of liberty is supposed to be implemented in the constitution making process.
So the conference has participation from Nepal, India, Bangladesh and Malaysia. In terms of bringing nations, the SAARC nations together, I think this conference and the organization is a step towards that, in a sense that the leadership gets to work with people from all over the world. I am working with people from the 3 countries and also Pakistan, and as we grow we will have more people from different countries as a part of the leadership, and basically we create a network, and so people are constantly interacting with students and with students, the youth basically from other countries.